Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you something really cool, how you can run a powerful AI coding assistant locally on your own computer using Ollama. That means no API costs, no internet dependency for generation, and full control over your AI model directly on your machine. If you're a developer, student, or someone who loves experimenting with AI, this setup can be incredibly useful. You can generate code, build projects, ask programming questions, and even create full websites all running locally. So in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from installing Ollama to running your first AI prompt. Don't worry if you're a beginner, I'll explain everything clearly so you can follow along easily. Let's get started. First, we need to install Ollama, which is the software that allows us to run large AI models locally on our computer. Open your browser and go to the official Ollama website. Once you're on the website, you'll see a download section. Here you need to select the operating system that you are using. For example, if you're using Windows, download the Windows version. If you're on Mac OS or Linux, download the version for your system. After the download is complete, simply run the installer just like you would install any normal software. When you start the installation, Ollama will automatically set up everything it needs on your computer. This includes preparing the environment required to run AI models locally. Once the installation finishes, you should see the Ollama application installed on your PC. Now we want to verify that Ollama has been installed correctly. For this step, open PowerShell on your computer. After opening PowerShell, type the following command: Ollama, then press Enter. If Ollama has been installed successfully, PowerShell will display the version number of Ollama. This confirms that everything is working correctly. Now comes the interesting part, installing the AI model. Inside the same terminal window, we will download the Claude-Llama model, which is a powerful AI model designed specifically for coding tasks. In PowerShell, type the following command: Ollama run Claude-Llamas. Once you press Enter, Ollama will start downloading the model to your computer. The first time you run this command, the download might take some time depending on your internet speed, because AI models are usually several gigabytes in size. But don't worry, this only happens the first time. After the model is downloaded, it will stay saved locally on your system. When the download finishes, the model will automatically start running. At this point, you now have a fully functional AI coding assistant running locally on your computer. After confirming that the model has been installed successfully, you can close PowerShell. Now open the Ollama application on your computer. Inside the Ollama interface, you will see the available models. From there, select the Claude-Llama model that we just installed. Now you can start giving prompts to the AI. Let's try a simple example. In the prompt box, type something like, create a simple to-do website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then submit the prompt. The AI will start generating the full code for the website. It will typically create the HTML structure, the CSS styling, and the JavaScript logic needed for the to-do functionality. What's really nice is that the model usually explains the code as well, so you understand how everything works. Once the code is generated, you can simply copy it and paste it into your own project files, and the website will work immediately. This makes it incredibly useful for learning programming, building quick prototypes, or even speeding up your development workflow. And the best part is, everything is running locally on your computer, which means your data stays private and you don't need to rely on external AI services. So that's it for this video. We installed Ollama, downloaded a coding AI model, and generated our first AI-created website, all locally on our machine. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on AI, development, and cool tech tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.